What's going on, everybody? It's your boy K1K back in this thing for another episode. You guys can already see that we got a little small lineup out here. We're finna go on a quick ride. Got a friend in from out of town. S1K's here, so we're gonna go on a quick little ride real quick before he has to head back to the crib and go from there. Beautiful weather out here, as you guys can see. Back in the 90s again. It's kind of hot, ain't gonna lie, not too much wind. I mean, good for riding though, you know, not a lot of crosswind and stuff. But anyway, just gonna get out here, ride it, put the 41.2 back on because the 40 seemed like it was a little too sluggish for me, too big for that. And weighed myself with all my gear and everything. I'm 257 with gear, just so you guys know. So might need to get some more torque in my life at some point. But Arya's, she's dope, bro. I love her. Anyway, so we about to take off here shortly, and we'll meet up here in a minute. All right, we out in the streets. And beautiful weather, man. Beautiful weather. Wish it was about 70, be a little better for me, but hey, we take what we can get out here. It's not rainy like last time, so it is what it is. Got a clean little 5th gen out here. Got some BSTs and everything, green. Looking pretty nicely set up out here, so looking forward to seeing her on the road and what she's got. Other than that, all the other bikes we have been with before, so you guys already know. Yes, sir. Oh, you want me to not? That was an awesome run with my boy right there, man. Awesome run, man. Good run, man. I don't know them tight ones, man. You be sitting there holding on for dear life, like, please let me get the best of this dude, man. But I felt like the 41.2 did me a little better this time, so I'm cool with that. You know, just got to get out in there, do some more stuff, man. You know, I still got to get wheels and different things we talked about. But don't run with my boy, man. That's what it's all about, man. That competitive spirit, but awesome, man. Good run, man. Ran out of gear on the top end up there. I gotta ask, I think he might still be rocking with the 42, but I can't, man. I can't get that 42 in there. I need the 41 for me. But pretty good run, man. Definitely enjoyed that, man. Just need a little more to get him, man. So we'll see. Well, it wouldn't be a Sunday fun day without something happening, man, and look like today might get called short. One of the homies' bikes ended up having a wheel bearing failure. It sounds like the bike is doing some weird stuff. Everything else is tight, so I think the bearings might have crapped the bed. Honestly, that's kind of a concern for me with getting ceramics too. I know they don't last as long from what I've been reading, and they require a lot more maintenance and stuff compared to steel bearings. So kind of debating getting aftermarket bearings, but probably just premium steel ones that like Moto sells. I don't know, man, but that's just something I'm kind of worried about. Anything to have to do with the wheels and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, if that happens or something happens bad, you know, while you're riding, that could be real bad. Effed up day, cycle gear would say, or cycle cruiser. But you know, so don't really know if I really want to play around with that. But hopefully, that's what it is, an easy fix. You know, and get him back on the road again or whatever. But so we'll see, depending on how long it takes to get the bike trailer and all that kind of stuff. I might be calling it today. I gotta watch my Cowboys play, even though we got Coop, you know, behind the helm. So we'll see, man. I still support no matter what, so we'll see what's up. What's going on, man?
The name on YouTube like K1K, right?
Yeah.
Been watching this whole man.
Oh yeah. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah.
This is my first bike I ever rode. I bought it like 4 months ago for $1,500. It's a 2010 of one of these.
Oh yeah? Okay, that's what's up.
I messed around with the dude Ian or Arya or something.
Oh, Ian, yeah. He got a black one.
Somebody else on the bike. He beat me by like 2-3 bikes, though. I'm scared of the bike, man.
Yeah. This your first bike, leader bike?
It's my first bike ever.
Yeah, give yourself some time to get used to it then, man.
I messed with it a little bit in second gear, a little. Third gear, yeah. Third and up, I'm comfortable with. But I don't got my fares and shit, so like 150 is crazy.
Yes, sir. We love the fans, baby. We love them. I need to chill out, bro. Well, not sure how that guy, and I feel kind of rude, didn't mean to be, but you know, kind of got signaled that we needed to go ahead and go, so I didn't want to hang around, but I didn't get a chance to get his name. But if you're watching, man, I appreciate that. Appreciate the support, and it's good meeting people that are watching the channel and seeing it, man. If you watch, can you please comment on how you found the channel, how you heard about it? But I really appreciate it, man, for real. And you know, that ZX10 is your first bike, man. Words of encouragement, like I was telling you, just please be careful on that thing. Give yourself time to learn, you know, just the mechanics of motorcycling, you know, braking and all that kind of stuff, body position, you know, just looking out for other cars and different things, man. Just be careful. You know, obviously I'm not doing all the safest things, but you know, this isn't my first bike, and you know, whatever. But honestly, you know, just be careful, man. And if you need any advice, man, just shoot me a message and I'll give the best advice I can on certain things. But appreciate the support again, man. Really love seeing it. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the video today. Gonna go head home and watch some football, spend some time with my family. But I appreciate all you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy. Keep rocking with me, keep on keeping on with me, and I'm gonna keep on pushing the content, y'all. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Peace.